Whoa, bad corner, bad corner. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when you can't ride anymore? That was terrible. Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I left Jamestown, Tennessee a little while ago, specifically to ride this road. This is Tennessee 85. I think you're gonna want to see this road. It's about a 25-mile stretch of road. Hello, dear. Watch out for wildlife. I am traveling from the west to the east today. Today is July 1st, 2026. Give me credit for knowing what the date is for a change, and it's a Wednesday. Hello, dear. They won't show up, but there's more right there. Looks like mom and baby. Don't want to run over Mr. Squirrel. I've done that before. Well, do you see that? And do you see this road? I hope it smooths up, because right now they've got grooves all over this road making a bike do all this. Man, what an amazing smell. Can't see. Yeah, those grooves just threw me to the right a little bit. Ooh. Boy, be careful. That part of the road right there was sunk off. Ooh, that was a wicked hole. Yeah. Do not bring your RV or big truck down this road. And they just go ahead and come into my lane. Boy, I can't see, I'm blinded. Boy, terrible clutch control there, dum-dum. Definitely rusty. Well, the map did not disappoint when I was looking at this road the other day, when I knew I was going to be down here. I gotta admit, though, it's a little sharper than I thought. Whoa, bad corner, bad corner. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when you can't ride anymore? That was terrible. When you're rusty, you're rusty. Well, at least the road smoothed out where it didn't have that groove in it throwing you all over the place. that was a positive. Wow, ears are popping. Yeah, I think the way I rode this from Tennessee 54, if that's not right, I'll put a correction, to US 127 is the uphill route and the better way to go. Oh, what's all this up here? Damaged road. Well, it looks like we're not done with the super sharp corners yet. And we've had some, whoa, washouts from all the rain. Yeah, they had some severe flooding down here just a couple of weeks ago. Ooh, big hole right there, holy crap. Yeah, take this one very cautiously, I guess. All right, as we have 5 miles of this road left to go, this has been an amazing ride. Some things to watch out for, though. Depending on where you are, there are parts of the road that are trying to collapse. Just a little bit ago, it was literally right in the center of the road. It kind of had to weave my way through it. So ride spirited to the point you can still brake and avoid obstacles. There have been some surprise gravel, which I did get that on camera, along with that hole right there towards the center that could really upset your bike if you were to hit it. And it looks like we got another U-turn up here. You know, the bike sure doesn't roll very well when you have worn tires. And then somebody's been practicing their power braking skills. And you get water on the road. This reminds me so much of the Snake right now. Still my favorite road. Alright, I think I'm going to sign it off here. If you liked a little preview of Tennessee 85, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, please smash that subscribe button. I appreciate comments. Even the not so nice ones, even though 99.8% of you have been nothing but outstanding in the comments. I do read them all. I reply to them all. I'm a tiny channel, so I have time for that. All right. Thanks again. I appreciate it. If you're in the neighborhood, ride Tennessee 85. It's right there. It's a cool road.